So I've poked a hole through my tape, gotten my depth of my dowels. Just taking about to there. So I want to leave a little bit of room. And I suspect I'll place it right about there. So I need to find exact center, tape over it, make my lines, put the base plate on my router, and make sure the edge of the bit goes right there. I don't have to be exact on here, as long as I'm a little bit away from my end of my dowels. It'll be okay, but I do want to be perfectly centered. Here I have my lines. I have my inside mortise, my larger mortise, and so I've milled my stock here, and I've given myself a bit of room, but not a whole lot, So I do not want to be, that's mainly just to get this thing straight again. It cannot be over my line with the router. I can be under it, but not over it. Now, it should be okay. But the tape will get fuzzy, and it can be tough to see the line, and I didn't like that when I did the other ones, so I have to be really careful, as usual. But what I probably will do is I'll plunge on the line, I'll move it over to center, and I'll lift it up and plunge into there. I don't like doing that because any shaking can mess that up. Now I don't have the space here to trap the router like I did last time, so maybe that's not the best idea. We'll see. Anyways, I'm just gonna have to do it and set it up and figure it out. But I'm gonna exit the cut down here. So, I mean, the whole board needs to be clamped down. And this needs to be clamped down. So, and this needs to be clamped too. It's just like last time. So I gotta get some clamps, I gotta lift it up, and then I have to figure out how I'm gonna protect, or how I'm gonna come through here. I don't think I'm gonna put any sacrificial board underneath, because you'll never see the cut anyways. And it's kind of difficult to, the base plate's almost the size of the panel, so I can't get a clamp around here. So now I'm gonna set up the router and make the cut.